Shalom. So for today's class, what we did was we learned how to be very independent with our left hand. So Emmanuel and O'Shea, what I said to you was to learn this progression or this movement. Make sure that each finger represents each of the notes. So from the left hand, we said that this is finger 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and each hand or each finger, okay, is responsible for each note. Okay, so when your hand is on the keyboard, make sure that they don't move when you're playing each, a separate note. So if you play 1, your hand is stable. If you play 2, your hand is stable. You can see that my pinky finger here is still on the 1, but it's not playing it. 3, okay, 4, 5, 6. The closest finger to the 6 is the thumb. So 6 plays the finger 1 here plays a 6, 7. Finger 1 can play the 7, which is fine, and then back to 1. You see, my hand wasn't moving around. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Okay, and you can also practice the top and here by doing 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, and we did 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, and then we also did 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so use this as an exercise. Okay, so that when you're playing on your right hand together, this is your 1. As we learned remember last week we did the inversions, so nothing has changed. We are just applying that in this song. Your goodness is running after me, which has very, very simple progression in there. So I said we'll be doing the 1, the 4. Now watch that my left hand is not moving. I'm just moving the note, my finger to play the responsible note. 5. See that? My thumb plays that. 6. My thumb played a 6 on my left. Okay, then you come back to 1. Okay, so for the song we played 1. So it was your goodness is running after me. Okay, again. Your goodness is running after me. Okay, then you continue. I give everything. Okay, back to 1. Your goodness is running after. Okay, back to the 1. Alright, so this is your homework. Practice it over and over again and then send me a recording. God bless you.